Hello, my name is Clara. I am continued with the second part to the speak and improve activity. Okay, first question. More than 400 people visited our library the last month. Okay. Sports center staff are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Okay. Candidates must select a single question from each short. Okay. I forget to speak. Okay. Candidates must be select a single question from each subject area. Okay. All new students must be registered with Mrs. Clear by the end of Friday. The next. As long as all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. The next. As all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. Okay. Okay. What kind of company do music students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new lab has proven to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Okay, next. Environmentalists agree that continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. Okay, thank you.